Tapos ang dami na nagtatag sa akin na SD, may naka-live si Sean na iba. I mean, okay lang naman sa akin. Pero, parang alam mo yun, parang walang girl code. Alam mo yung binigay ko naman lahat eh. Tapos, mas nakita ko yung totoong ngiti niya nung pinakita mo yung kifi mo. Yun yung mga mata hindi nagsisinungaling. Yun yung pinakaunang nakita ko sa kanya nung sinagot ko siya. Tingin ko sa'yo. Hanapin mo ako! Jack? Saan na nga tayo, Jack?
It's fine. I mean, I'm gonna fix you.
I'm sorry. I just, like, where are we again? I'm sorry, I'm not the type of person talaga na nagpapa-shut off sa'yo, but, I mean, I just had to let it all out.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. You have to let out your feelings so you can move on.
Yeah.
And let others in. Open it.
Naka-live daw si QD. You want me to invite her?
If you want to.
May araw ka rin. Right, Jack?
Yeah, it's fine. Nobody's ever gonna replace you. You're the only snare.
Ano, QD, sumagot ka! Akin lang ang asawa ko! Go! Subukan niyo. Subukan niyo. Di naman ako nasasaktan eh. I mean, okay lang naman sa akin na. Sila naiiyak ako. I mean, I'm not affected at all. I mean, it's just that, I mean, I'm not betrayed naman the way I felt earlier for him. We're just friends. I mean, you were once my best friend, Queen. Pero di ang mahal. Tapos malaman ko lang na nasa half pa ako ng movie. Parang sabi ko, umuulan ba? Ay, luha ko lang pala. At plema.
Okay.